for instance, what you call Rweziringa. We also call it Rweziringa. There is what you call Omravumba. For us, we call it Omravunga. There is what you call Ombirizi. We also call it Ombirizi. Now, what other? The other time, last night, I used the word called Waringa. Waringa, and everybody in the audience knew it. What Waringa is? Waringa is. Numanya Waringa. Numanya. But this was because he didn't have any other politics in his head. His head was to say, go to Angola and conquer it and control it. But if he had known that it was easier to cooperate without conquest, he would have opted for that. And for us, we are not like Rwabugiri today. We are more informed, we can cooperate, we can unite, utilizing our oneness without fighting among ourselves. So let's ensure that we cooperate among African countries. Now, coming to our philosophy of self-reliance, I